We just took Ivy in to say hi to her teachers.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're all here dropping all the kids to school. Then we're going to the gym. You haven't seen this scene in a while, have you? So we're dropping Jackson and Atlas. Then we're dropping Ozzy and Zaya. And it's so funny because, okay, this road is too chicky, chaka chaka. So watch it faint. We'll talk in a few. See you in a few. Bye. I'm gonna eat you.
Alright, we just coming back home from the gym. Got all the kiddies to school safely and nicely, so they're at school now. What's up for the rest of the day, Tami?
I have some work to do, so I'm gonna tackle it now.
Yeah. So, couple of up and down today, you know, it goes there's always something to tackle. Hi!
Hi, kitty!
Hi, big girl!
What's up? What's up? You slept so good? Did kitty sleep so good? High five. Good job, kitty. High five for dad.
High five! Yay, Boozy! Make sure hold on and stop hold her up. She drop on her bottom. I stay behind her. Or she go practice.
Too much. Is that too much? My heart can't manage all of this.
Hey. Hey, or she tippy toe stand up. Hey.
She's a hot girl, stand up. Here, let me get something for you to try. What about if we do this?
What do we have here? My girl want walk.
Here comes the work now. This is the work. You know, so let's put it over there.
Yeah?
I think easy.
Here.
Bob can put it down now.
Say mama.
Hot girl stand up. Watch it. Catch your bandy leg.
Don't say that.
Catch your bandy leg. Hot girl stand up.
Watch it. What side you go?
Hey.
I don't like how you're standing. I don't like that. Strong.
No, say mama. What about mama? What about mama?
Dada.
Say mama. Need help? At this age, Atlas was walking.
For real?
Yes, but Ozzy and Jackson waited over a year. She might walk before her birthday, or she might walk after. I don't know, but she seems pretty strong. She might talk before she walk. Stop eating the grill. The boys put their stinking toe on there.
Yes.
Careful.
Where you going?
I don't know. Work start now, Wayne.
Eh?
Work start now.
Guys, there's one consistent theme in the house. Ivy want to pull up and stand up. So you know what she a plan up.
Ta. What?
Ta.
She not saying ta. She said ta a while ago, plain as day. Look like you need to relax a little bit and foot tired.
You want to sit down now? Come, sit.
I'm telling you, man. Make she go and bill, man.
She alright, man.
Make
She's
she
a
go and
baby, you know,
bill.
it's a baby.
Tired.
I'm telling you.
She's a baby.
Everyone want her independence now.
Okay.
She ready for go college.
No. Nothing like that, right, Bobby? Kiss.
Are you ready for boarding
Kiss.
school?
Kiss. Love you. We should take her to go pick up Jackson. I mean Atlas and Ivy. I mean Zaya.
As the answer, I mean,
What did I say?
Atlas and Jackson,
boy.
BATX.
They're in the chat. Come, let's go for a drive. We'll go pick up our meal pack and then we go pick up the babies. Want to come? This is the hero.
You're twins?
Yeah, hero. Can't tell me we don't kind of look alike today.
It's true. It's true. Why? No, sir. Watch here up. No, some of the baby girl a grow.
Come, go to your father.
She a grow. Come.
Dada.
Said dada. Said dada. Kiss dada. Kiss.
That's nice.
Yay. More kiss. No, sir. How am I going to tell this girl no?
Nice shirt, Dada.
How am I going to tell her no in life?
We just took Ivy in to say hi to her teachers, her future teachers. All the kids came here and went through those teachers for school, so they hadn't really seen Ives. So I just brought her. So yes, we just went to say hi, and now we're gonna go pick up something. We're gonna drop home Zaya, drop home Ozzy, and
I have something else, another thing that I really want to do today, but we'll see if that. I'm waiting on a phone call.
We do have another mission that we're trying to accomplish. You know what we did yesterday? Actually, that was really nice, and we're just waiting to get out here. But yesterday, you know, last year we judged the Toyota Dream Car Contest. Well, we judged it again this year, and yesterday was the award ceremony, where we got a chance to congratulate all of the 9 students who did so well. Out of 170 entries, 9 students came yesterday to receive their prizes, and it was really, really nice. And we got a chance to meet with them and speak with them and encourage them and meet their parents. It was really a nice time. So that was lovely. So yes, anyway, was there anything else, any other footage that we had to catch up on?
Remember, I don't think we did drop in the remember we'll find that food spot.
Oh yes. Okay, let me drop that in here.
Cause we, you know, we're not left out of the thing. When we find a spot, we feel like we need to share that spot. And guys, don't bother feel like this is no promotion. This is not no promotion, no paid, nothing or anything.
We just literally were driving around Constant Spring Road and found somewhere, and now I feel like I could eat it again.
If you tell about it, all will go on.
I feel like we just found a little treasure in the middle of Kingston. We just went to a place called Pepper Time, which I've heard about so many times, and we were just driving up Constant Spring Road, and we were like, we could just stop there for lunch. And we haven't tasted the food yet, but so far it's beautiful. Let's see.
Take care, guys. Alright, cool. Yeah, man, respect.
I'm very excited. Hot. Okay, this is what she meant by large versus small. This is a good portion. Wow. Okay. And then
Boy, it was large steam that she was
referring to. This is yours. Oh, Wayne, it looks nice and moist. I didn't get the breast because I was scared it wasn't gonna be moist. But honestly. Oops. And then this is the leg and thigh. It smells really good. Oh my god, I think we just found a new lunch spot. And here's your
That's like, damn, I don't need no more close up.
Dangerous business wearing on white today. It's good
Yes.
and tender.
It smells good, bro.
It tastes good, Wayne. Promise you.
Papa chef.
New lunch spot unlocked. For sure.
Oh, the chicken is bomb. Alright, so guys, we are at the Sir John Golden Rehabilitation Center and we just donated 2 wheelchairs in partnership with Toyota. You guys would have seen our Step Center episode when we donated a few of the wheelchairs there. And now we are here. I mean, the backstory to this is that basically we got these 2 chairs to donate to whoever we wanted to, thanks to Toyota Jamaica. And I reached out to family and friends, was finding out, you know, just getting some info as if anybody knew anybody who would need
because they're
these
children's wheelchairs. Yeah.
Pediatric, them call it?
Yeah.
Maybe. So one of my aunts, thank you auntie, put me on to somebody who is here. They're a little bit too big for them, but I decided that I was going to go to Sir John Golden because regardless, I know they have patients and they treat people from all ages and stages. So
Yeah.
they were very, 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 very
They were
grateful.
so nice too. And
Very
it's
nice.
such an incredible center.
It
And
is.
what they do here is amazing, and you can
And it's
actually
not just children.
No,
I thought
it's not.
it went up to a certain age.
No, it's not.
It's
If you've had-
rehabilitation, any type of congenital illnesses and you know, rehabilitation, drop out a tree.
If you've lost a limb of any kind, if you need a rehabilitation to learn to walk again, if you need to learn to walk with a prosthetic, if you are needing to be in a wheelchair, this is what they do, and it's incredible. And we just met some of the wonderful women who are here, and they were able to tell us even more about it. And so they were really happy, and so I'm glad that we were able to get that done. Big up to Toyota, literally always being a part of the bigger, better Jamaica, and for really pushing their mobility for all initiative, you know, and standing by it, really. And we're so happy to be a part of that. So
Yeah.
I know that we're working on some, I would say, adult wheelchairs as well,
Within the
hopefully
next couple
coming
of
up.
weeks.
So that will be great. So we've made contact with the wonderful women here so we can keep in touch about anything else that they need as well, and how we can help them out. So amazing.
Okay, so we're just about to that time where we have to pick up Jackson and Atlas from school. So let us do just that.
Didi.
Hey guys.
Uncle Tarin says hi, boys.
Why, Uncle Tawin?
Yeah, throw them back there in the trunk, Mr. Spence. Thank you.
I missed the harassment, but
Tarin said Mr. Harassment
spell
man.
my name on the vlog.
He did.
All
Bye, Mr.
right,
Spence.
Sir Spence.
Man. Hello,
Aww.
baby. When I heard him, it just thumped me in my heart.
Aww. Everybody miss you. Yeah.
Guys,
Daddy?
hello, guys.
Yes, Daddy. Oh.
That this is like a souffle cheesecake thing. It's not that sweet, but if you guys could get something sweet now, what would you want?
That
No. If we could
Tami?
go somewhere.
You would want candy?
Candy Cruise.
What?
Candy craze, bro.
Are we having that yesterday? Like, what is this?
Are having a yes day. Well, guys, because mommy and daddy love you so much,
No.
we decided that we'd go ahead and get you guys your favorites. And I made sure to get your favorite candy in there too.
You say? welcome.
Boozy, look what daddy got for you.
Oh, wow, what do you say?
Thank you.
And here, look what mommy got for you.
This is mine.
Yeah,
Oh,
cool. Kiss.
I'll show you.
Be careful.
With him big voice.
I'll show you what I got, Dad.
Where did we get this voice from? I don't know. It's so deep.
We're just in time. We're just in time. We're just in time for the sweetness.
Pampers. Hi, kitty. Kiss.
She must tired of kiss up, kiss up.
Look at that.
Yes,
She's
Jax.
so pleasant. Atlas, you see your kitty? Come say hi.
You went on the road today? Turning 21 today.
She turning 21.
I said that earlier. She's ready for go college.
Get it? 2 and 1.
Smell her. Teddy bear. Teddy bear.
This one should also like look